Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss section of solid. We are going to discuss two problems on section of solid. I hope you have seen my previous video, part 1 on section of solid, where we explain the fundamental concept. Now let's take a problem. As I always said, read the problem twice thrice and interpret the data properly. A cone 50 mm base diameter and 70 mm axis is standing on its base on HP. It is cut by section plane 45 degree inclined to HP through base end of end generator. Draw projections, sectional view, true shape of section. Let's do it. So draw XY axis. Now what has been given? A cone 50 millimeter base diameter. That means a cone having a base of 50 millimeter and 70 millimeter axis is standing on its base on HP. The cone is on its base on horizontal plane. Means in front view we will get the height of a cone, whereas in top view we will get the circle. So let's draw a circle of diameter how much? 50 millimeter. Divide this into at least 12 number of parts. Here I am dividing it into 8 equal number of parts. But what is the purpose of dividing the circle into 12 equal number of parts? We will divide it because so that we should get the points closer to each other and a smooth curve should get formed. Name these points A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now name the center point as O. Just draw the front view. Project point A, E, F, H, G is the center line and construct the front view of a cone. Then mark the points. See, this point will be A dash, as front view will always represent by A dash. While marking, remember that the front which are visible, these are the visible points A, B, C, D, E, that we will mark as A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash and E dash. Whereas the behind points, that is H, G and F, which is not visible from front side, we will mark in bracket as H dash, G dash and F dash. Then mark point O dash. So here the front view of a cone gets ready. Now join this B dash and O dash same way, D dash and O dash. Now let's draw its side view because we have to also construct the sectional side view also. So for drawing side view, draw a line at an angle of 45 degree, transfer the height and then transfer width from top view in side view. So name the points. So here G dash will come on 45 degree line and then will get projected upward, so it will become G double dash. Same way H, F, it will come on 45 degree line and it will get projected upward, it will become H dash, H double dash, F double dash. Like this, project all the points. Okay, now let's mark cutting plane. So here I have marked the cutting plane. Now it is cut by section plane 45 degree inclined to HP. So the cutting plane is inclined 45 degree to HP and passing through base end of end generator. So this is the base end of a end generator. So a line passing from here inclined at an angle of 45 degree will become the cutting plane. So draw a cutting plane at an angle of 45 passing through the extreme corner of a cone. Why this is the base end of a generator? Say for example, how the cone is getting generated. O dash C dash, O dash C dash, keep it fixed and revolve O dash A dash and C dash around O dash C dash. So what will happen? It will generate a cone. So the cone has started from here and cone completed here. So that means this is the end point of a cone. That means you can say base end of end generator. So once you draw the cutting plane, now starts marking the point. Now see, I have marked here point A, point 1. So how it is? O1. Now it is passing from this base end, that means it is passing from point A. So it has been marked point 1. Then it is cutting O dash, B dash as well as O dash and H dash. Okay, so mark it as point 2 O dash B dash. We will go sequence wise. Then O dash C dash point 3. Then O dash D dash point 4. O dash E dash point 5. Then O dash F dash. We are going like this. Okay, O dash F dash point 6. O dash G dash point 7 and O dash H dash point 8. So O dash H dash point 8. Now to get the top view, start projecting these points on top view. Now you can see that if I can project this point 1, so that projection of point 1 will come on point straight away on point A. Projection of point 2 will come on O dash B dash. It is cutting O dash B dash. So in top view OB. So here the projection of point 2 will come. Projection of point 3 will be on O dash C dash. So here OC. But when I take it, it will go straight. So where to stop this? So here there is a process how we should able to find out this projection of this point 3, that I am going to explain you. Then point 4 on O dash D dash. So on OD project point 4. So just start projecting it. So here I have projected the line from point 4. Then I have projected line from point 6. Projected line from point 2. So here how I will get the projection for point 3. Now from here if I project straight, I will not get the location of point 3 as well as point 7. Point 3 cuts O dash C dash, point 7 cuts O dash G dash. So in both the cases I am not getting the projection of point 3 and 7 on this line. So to get this projection, what I will do, I will transfer point 3 or parallel to the XY axis onto the generator. Then from here project the point downward on line OA. So here I am projecting. So once you project here, take center as a O and radius equal to this much. Draw an arc. So here I have drawn an arc. So here I got the point of OC is projection 4.3, whereas for point 7 you will get projection of 0.7 on OG. Now let's start marking the points. So here 1, I have projected point 1, then second, here I have projected points 2, then on OC point 3, then on OD point 4, on OE point 5, OF point 6, OG here point 7, OH point 8. So this will gives us the points or locus which will generate the curve. So join this. So this is the curve that has been generated, and now hatch it. So this is the sectional top view of a cone for the cutting plane inclined at an angle of 45 degree. Now this is not the true shape. So for true shape, observer should be here. So I will have to draw x1, y1. Now before that, let's construct the side view. So for side view, project all the points. So I have projected all the points and now mark. Say point 1. So here it is point 1 on A. So where is A? Here it's A. So on A point 1, which is second point. Second point on OB. So where is OB? So this is OB. So here there is a second point. Third point is on OC. Third point. So on OC, this is the third point. Okay. So like this, mark the point and you will get the curve which will generate sectional side view. So this is the sectional side. Now to draw the true shape, draw a line or axis x1 y1 parallel to this cutting plane. So draw a line. Now from point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, project the line perpendicular to this new cutting plane x1 y1. So here I have projected all the line. Now to mark the points everywhere, what you will do? Now measure distance from x-axis up to 1 in, okay, or in your rounder take a distance from a dash to a, center a dash and up to a, and there is a projector which is going through x1 y1, okay. Now which where the projector is intersecting at x1 and y1, this point this point you can take it as a center and radius equal to a dash a, draw the arc and mark it as point 1. Same way point 2, from here the point 2 is passing, this is the projector from point 2 perpendicular to x1 y1. So measure a distance from b dash to point 2, take this much of radius b dash 2 in your compass, take this point as a center and mark point 2. Same way for point 3, now this is the place where we are having point 3, point 3 is on having OC, and through 3 this is the projector which is perpendicular to x1 y1. So measure distance from C to point 3, take in your compass, take a radius equal to C3, take this point as center and draw an arc. So here we got the point 3. Now like this repeat the process. So here you will got a point 4, then point 5, then point 6, point 7, point 8, and now join the all the points. So here you got the true shape of section. So when you observe it from this side, this is the true shape of a section that is getting generated. So here what we can call it as the sectional side view, sectional top view, and true shape of a section. So this is second problem. Video is already of near about 12.5 minutes. So third problem and fourth problem I will discuss in my next video. So watch it. I hope the concepts for this problem is clear to you, and watch it properly and make practice of this. So thanks friends, and do watch my next video for third and fourth problem, where we are uh, taking section in second stage. That means in initial stage will be given to us, and inclination with either HP or VP will be given to us, and then we are taking the section. Thanks a lot.